We are not going to do everything here. Okay, I want you to draw a tracing table for this flow chart. I want you to draw a tracing table for the given flow chart, right? I'm not asking you to do whatever given in the text here, right? Carefully listen. Okay, ready? So I want you to do only the first part, right? There's a flow chart here given. What you have to do is draw a tracing table, right? And show me or tell me the first three letters, first three numbers, sorry. First three numbers and the last three numbers, right? First three numbers and the last three numbers. Last three numbers. Is that clear? So you have to do a tracing table for this table, right? Then when you create a tracing table, right? So here you are displaying T, no? You are displaying the number T. So first time, let's say you are displaying number 1, then the second number 3, then 5, for example, I'm saying. So these are the first three numbers. Then there will be some other numbers. Then lastly, you will have some other sets like 49 or maybe 50 or something, right? So I want you to, let's say 47 here. So I want you to give these first three numbers. These are the first three numbers, and these are the last three numbers. So in order to get that, you have to do the tracing table. Okay, can you carry on this? Can you start working on this, please? If the question is not clear, please let me know. So what type of a structure you find here? What type of a structure? We have different type of structures. No? It's a repetition. Okay, very good. It's a repetition. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, this is little different. I will tell you later. So we check the condition here at the bottom, right? So if the condition is false, this repeats. So it's again a repetition, right? Again a repetition. So what you have to do is you have to do the tracing table for this flow chart, and you have to tell me what are the first three numbers. Sorry. So when you display, you're displaying first number, second number, and the third number. Right? So you have to tell me you have to give me, or you have to write the first three numbers, right? Then there will be a couple of other numbers, but then you have to write the last three numbers. So in order to do that, you have to do a tracing table. So don't do the second part or don't worry about the third. So we'll focus on the first one only. If the question is not clear, please ask me. So once you're done, please raise the hands. If you have completed, you can send the answer as well. X equal initially x1 Rida. Okay, Fadila. Okay. So Fadila done. Where's the last three, Fadila? Okay, okay, good. Fadila, okay. I don't think that's correct, Fadila. Check the last three. Okay, right. Okay, we'll see. Okay, how many of you completed? Samiha, okay. Last three is not correct. Oh no, it's close, but there's a small mistake. Right. Shall we try this? Okay. Okay, you can work with me, right? So okay, let's start doing this. Okay, initial values are clear now. Initially x equal 1, t equal 1. Is that clear? Okay, now what happens to the program? So program start, execute the x equal 1, then it goes to t equal 1. It's assigned the value t equal 1. Then display t. So what you see, the first values are come. The first values is displays the t. No? So first you will see number 1. Is that clear? Number 1. You see number 1. Is that clear? First it displays the number 1. So some here check that, right? So it should display the number 1. Now what happens? Program, okay, you have to follow this, right? Display the t. Then it goes to this x part, this one. Okay, now tell me what happens here. X equal x plus 1. So what would be the new value of x? What would be the new value of x here? What is the new value of x? Very simple one. X equal x plus 1. So what is the value of x? Very simple. 2, right? So x is 2. Right? Now we'll move to the next one. T equal t plus x. Okay. Now let's come to this t part. Right? These are calculations. Okay. T equal t plus x. Okay. T equal. What is my t? T. What is the value of t? 1. What is the value of x? It's like this. If you are still not sure, t equal t plus x. T value of t is what? 1. Okay, plus what is the value of x? What is x? You can see from the tracing table, x is equal to 2. So what is the new value of t? 3. It's a very simple one, right? 3. Yes. So we can say now the value of t is 3. Is that clear? That is the new value of t. Is that clear or not clear? I don't know. If you are not giving, if you are giving feedback, that would be easy. Right, okay. Now we'll come to the last part now. So it comes here and it check the condition. T greater than 50. Okay, now come to the condition. T greater than 50. My T is now, T is 3 greater than 50. Is this condition true? Yes or no? Is it true or false? 3 greater than 50. 3 greater than 50. What do you think?
False.
That is false. That is no part. So program will go to where? So it goes to the no area. So it comes this area and comes to this line, right? So, and again, it's in the starting point. So now what happened? Now what happened? So as once the condition is false, right? The program comes to the no area, right? This area, and it again display the T. Now what you will see in the screen, the display, what is the number you will see? What is the value of t? What is the value of t now? It's 3.
3.
Right? So you will see 3 in the screen. That is clear, right? So now that is done. Now again program will come to the next line, which is x equal x plus 1. Okay. X equal x plus 1, right? This is 1. This is the one. So now what is x? X equal, right? X plus 1. So what is x now? According to the table, x equal 2 plus 1. So it's how much? 3. Right? So x equal 3. So let's update the table. Now x equal 3. Right? Now t, what is the value of t? Can you find the t now quickly?
6.
6. T equal t plus x. So t equal t plus x. So let's say t equal t plus x. So my t is 3 plus x equal 3. Yes, then it's 6. Because, right, 3 plus 3 is 6. That's correct. Okay. Now we are done. Oops. Wait. Okay. Right. So now we are done with that also. Right. Now we have completed this one. Now what happened? Program will come to this condition part. It check the condition. Now tell me the condition. What is the condition now? Now what is the condition? T greater than 50. What is the value of t according to the table? What is the value of t according to the table? Sorry, 6, no? 6 greater than 50. Okay, is this true or false? Or yes or no? Which part? That is false, right? So program will go to the no area. So because condition is false, right? So program will again come to this area. Now what will happen? Now what will happen? Now which it goes to the where? Once it's come here, it goes to this display t. So what is the value you will what is the value you will see in the display area? Now what is the value? We display t. So it displays the value of t, right? Which is what? Number 6. Is that clear now? Sarah, okay. What happened to you? Right. Zaharin is not here, right? Okay. Right. Is this clear to everyone? So these are the 3 numbers. Initially, you will see in this screen 1, 3, and 6. Okay, if you have done that, you can mark it correct. You can, sorry, give me a minute. Right, okay. So these are the first numbers, right? First 3 numbers. If you, I think some of you got it correct, some not, that's fine. Okay, yeah. Najat correct, Zohra correct. At Arkam, there's your first numbers. Shamiha, you have to correct it, right? Correct. Rida, correct. Fadila, correct. Okay. Okay, now can you continue this? because you have to continue until this condition becomes true. Okay. Now, can you continue this same procedure? Because we done only for 6 now, so you have to continue, right? Can you continue this? Okay, let's see. Right now, what happens? Okay, we are here. No, no. Right now it display the C. Okay, now again it display the T. Now what happens? The calculation X equal this part, right? Because we display the T. Now the calculation, right? Now X equal X plus 1. Okay, what is the value of X now? What is the value of X now here? X equal X plus 1. So what is the new value of X? Sorry, X
4.
equal X equal X plus 1. No. So then, right? X equal already 3 plus 1 is 4. Now you should be able to find it quickly without writing everything. So X equal 4. That calculation clear, right, Asman? Okay, now we'll come to the T part. T equal this one. T equal T plus X. So what is the value of T now? What is the value of T now? Who can tell me? T equal T plus X. So my T equal T plus X. So here T equal, right? What is the value of T now in the table? What is the value of T you see in the table? T equal T plus X now. T plus, it's a big one. Right. Okay. What is the value of T? T is, right? Give me a minute. Right. T is 6 in the table. And what is X? Final value of X equal 4. So what is the new value of T? What is the new value of T now? 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. That's clear now, right? Is that clear? Now, so we have done that also, right? Now you can delete this if you want, or we'll keep it. Right. Now what happened? Now what happened to the program? So we found the T also. Now what happened to the program? Program will come to this area, T greater than 50. Okay. So what is the condition now? We check the condition, right? What is the value of T now? What is the value of T now? 10, no? 10 greater than 50. Is this true or false? True or false? Is this true or false? This is false. Okay. Now what happened? The condition is false. Now what happened? So you have to think, right? Now, if the condition is false, the program will again go take this no area. It will take this branch and come to this place. So now display T. So it display the T. So you will see, right? What is the value of T? Last value 10. Now you will see 10 in the screen, right? So you have to repeat it. Now you have to repeat this, right? Okay. Now after that, X will it will execute this statement X equal X plus 1. Okay. What is the value of X now? Who can tell me? What is the value of X now?
5.
5. Very good. Because X plus 1 no 5. Yes. Go ahead. What is the value of now it comes to the next statement T equal T plus X. So now what is the value of T? Yes.
15.
15, because T equal T plus X, right? T equal T plus X. My T equal what? 10. X equal how much? 5. So it's 15. It's 50. If you are still not clear, that's why I'm writing here. It's 50. So how did you get this this part? If you are not clear, T equal, get the value of T in the table, get the value of T in the table, right? Oh my God. Sorry for this. Give me a minute. Right, okay. Now get the value of t, right? So in the third row, why display t is blank? No, it's not row. Maybe you can, yeah, maybe it should come third row. Yeah, then adjust that, Rinas. Maybe if you want to write this display value here, write it there, because right. Okay, now it's 15, right? T equal t plus x. So my t, before you find this 15, t value is 10, right? T is 10, then the x is 5. So it's 15. It's 15, right? So now the t, now t is 15, right? Okay. Right, now what happened? So we have done that part. So t greater than 15. So t greater than 15. Now it comes to the condition part. So let's try the condition now. So it's what is the value of t now? Final value 15 greater than 50. Okay, now tell me, is this condition is true or false? Is this condition is true or false? False, right? Okay, false. So what happened now? The program will go to where? Program will go to so no area, because condition is false. Same thing, right? Same thing. So it comes here and display the t. Okay, now what is the value you will see in the display area? What is the value? Display t, that is 15, right? Okay, now again program will execute the x equal x plus 1. So what is the value of x now? Who can help me on this? Okay, x is 6. Okay, let's write that quickly. X equals 6. Then what is the value of t now? Next statement.
21.
Very good. 21. Right. Now what happens? Again, it will check the condition, right? Condition. So I don't want to explain it. No. Condition is t greater than 50. So my t is 21 greater than 50. That is false. So again, the same thing will repeat. So it display the value t. So that is 21. Okay, who can tell me then x equal x plus 1? What is the value of x now? Come on. What is the value of x? 7. Very good. So what is the value of t? T.
28.
Okay. Now it will check the condition. T greater than 50, 28 greater than 50, that is false. So again, same thing will be repeated. So display the t. Now, what is the value you will see in the screen? T, 28. Okay, now x, what is the value of x now?
8.
Okay, 8. Now 8, is that clear? Right? That is clear, right? So 8 and yes, Asmat. So better if you talk, because it's difficult to read the messages while typing here, right? Wait, because I'm writing. If anyone, because it's still not clear, so you can at least copy down and you can think of this. Right now, what is the value of t?
36.
28 plus 7. How much 28 plus 7? Because t is t plus x, no?
Sir, 28 plus 8. 36.
Right, t equal, right, okay, t plus, oh my god, t equal something, okay, t plus x, yes, my t previous value is 28, right, and the x equal, yes, 8, okay, you are correct. So it should be 36, right? Okay, 36, right? That is 36, okay. Okay, now we'll come to this condition, t equal 36 greater than 50. Still the condition is false. So same thing will happen. Now what is the new value of x? So you don't need to go every step. Now you know how it works. Can someone tell me, someone else tell me, not tried. Can someone else tell me what is the value of x now?
9.
9, very good. So what is the value of t?
45.
45. Okay, good. So what is the value of t then? So it's a condition, right? So we see the condition. Oh, before that, it should display t, no? So it should be 36 here. We forgot that. Oh, the condition is there. Now t greater than 50, t is 45 greater than 50. Still the condition is false. Okay, now tell me what is the value of x?
10,
10. Okay, what is the value of t?
55.
55. You can easily find, no, there is a pattern, right? There is a pattern goes, right? Always you add these two, right? So you can find the pattern. Right now, 10 and 55. Okay, it should display the t, no, before that, so it should display the 45. The condition is 55, no, t is 55 greater than 50. Now only it's 2. Now it's 2. Right now we are end of this tracing table. Okay, now you know the condition is true, so it comes to the end, right? So this is how your tracing table should look like. So now you can find the first three values. Where's the first three values? So these are the first three numbers, and these are the last three numbers. Okay. No. Yes. Last. Sorry. There's a mistake. These are the first three numbers, and these are the last three numbers. Because they're asking the last three numbers you are displaying, right? So what are the last three numbers? I know it's not very easy. It's not very easy as like previous sessions. So you have to think and you have to do little work here. Don't decide that, okay, this is very hard, I'm not going to come to this class. So, oh, I'm not going to do this question, but this is easy, but you have to practice. If you are like coming this week, you're just, after 1 week, you are coming to the class without referring or without at least doing any work, then it's difficult. Yes, then it is difficult, then don't come. But if you are coming regularly, then you have to work, you have to go through, you have to do your own work, homeworks, right? Because basically, to be frank, the unit 1 or the programming part is little difficult or harder when you compare with other parts, when you compare with the Excel, or when you compare with Microsoft Word, or when you compare with the PowerPoint, right? This or HTML, when you compare with HTML, this is little harder. Yeah, that's true. I agree with that. So what you have to do is you have to do, you have to work little bit more on this unit than the other units. That's why I'm doing all these exercises. Otherwise, I could have easily finished the theory, right? But I know, without doing these questions, you won't be able to handle this question, this unit, right? Okay. Any questions? Is this clear? Is this table is clear now? Can you all create your own table if in case? Right. So if you want, you can check the tracing table, or you can complete your tracing tables. Okay. Shall I erase this? Anyone writing? Okay. So we'll move on to another question, right? Give me a minute. Let me share the screen. Right. So okay, next question. Right. think what is the last question we did yesterday? What is the last question? So, okay. So we'll go to this question, 2018 paper, 2018. Oh no, is it 2015? Okay, 2018 we did, right? Okay. Okay. So we'll take on this one. Right. This is from 2020, right? So I don't know. If you have paper, you can do it easily, right? Right. Okay. Now read this question. Right. Read this question. Okay. The following flow chart is drawn to calculate the average marks, right, and display. Wait a minute. The following flow chart is drawn to calculate average marks and display the grades when marks M1, M2, M3 of 3 subjects are given. So the marks of 3 subjects are given, right? So you want to find out the average marks. So they have given the flow chart. Okay, this is a part 2 question, 2020, right? Recent paper. The grades are decided according to the following table. So you can use they have asked you to use this table to find out the grades, right? So what you have to do is the marks are given 3 marks, right? M1, M2, and M3. So you have to find out the average marks, right? And according to the average, you have to assign grade. For example, let's say you have 3 marks, right? For example, let's say you have 70, 50, and let's say 60. Okay. Now, how much is the average? Now, how much is the average? How much is the average? So you have 3 marks, right? What is the average now? Yes. How did you find the average, Rida? How did you get the average? You have to add everything, right? You have to add this, then 180, right? And divide by 3 subjects. Okay. So now you have the average as 60. Okay. Now since the average is 60, right? What is the grade? What is the grade he should get? For Adila, what is the grade he should get? Yes. Come on. Yes, Shihan. Yeah, what is the grade?
C.
C grade, because we can see if the average marks is less than 65 and greater than 50. So if the average is in between this range, then he should get C, right? Like that, if he get the average, let's say like 82, let's say average marks is 82. So what is the grade he should get? What is the grade he should get? Yes. If the average is 82, what is the grade?
A.
Sorry, B. You're saying B?
A, sir.
Okay, good. A. Because it says greater than or equal to 80, right? Then A. 80 plus A. If he got like 75, what should be the average? Grade. What should be the average? 75. He got the average mark 75. What is the grade? Sorry, what is the grade? What is the grade? 75. What is the grade?
B.
B grade, because it says 80 and greater than less than 80 and greater than 65, greater than or equal to 65. If it is if the average is something around let's say 53, what should be the grade? 53. 53, what is the grade?
C.
53, what is the grade?
C.
53 is C. Okay. Okay, that is how you have to assign the grade. Okay, if it is like, okay, let's say 80, what is the grade? 80, what is the grade? What is the grade? If we got 80 as average, what should be the grade you should assign? A, very good. So 80 should be A. Like that, let's say 50, so equal 50. What is the grade? 50. That should be C, right? How about this one? If we got 35, what should be the grade? 35, what should be the grade? Yes, Nirukshi, what is the grade? 35. 35 mean, how do you find out? Yes, Fadila, less than 65 and greater than, sorry, because this is not coming to any range, you can't give A, you can't give B, you can't give C, so it should be no grade. You have to say no grade, right? Okay, now this is the idea, right? This is the idea. So here they are, as I said, so you enter 3 marks, right? Marks are given for 3 subjects, right, as inputs. Now you have to find out the grades according to the marks. As I showed you, you have to add these 3 marks and you have to get the average marks. Okay, now can you complete this flow chart? Read it carefully. Okay, go ahead. Okay, you have to copy down the flow chart, right? You have to, because they have not given any A, B, C, D like labels. So you have to copy down the flow chart. Read this, copy the above flow chart to your answer script. So you have to copy down the flow chart to your answer script. Don't forget that, because if they have given the labels, you can just write, say, if it is A, T or something, let's say T or P, then you can write, okay, P is this, T is this. Now, this time you can't do this. So copy down the flow chart and fill these blanks, okay? And WhatsApp me the answers. You just take a photo and WhatsApp me. Is that clear? Please WhatsApp your answers. Especially, I want to see the answers from Rima, right? I want to see the answers from Rima, and is it Hafsa is here? Hafsa, okay. Shihan and Nirukshi and Kirtika. So can you, these four people, can you please send me your answers? WhatsApp me the answers. So Rima, Shihan, Hafsa, then Nirukshi and Kirtika. Five. Okay. First thing, okay, let's see how to do this, right? Yes, how many of you completed? Just raise the hands at least. Yes. Only 2, 3. Okay. Only 3. So 3. How about so others? Okay, maybe you need time. Hani is not here, right? Okay. Okay. Yes. What about how many of you just forced? Okay. Okay. What I will do is I'll stop here, right? Today. So you can complete this at home, right? Complete this work at home and WhatsApp me your answers, especially the for students, right?